big one here that it says Christopher on it. Yes, that's cute. And there's a tie. Here you go, Joe.
Should we open it with Joe?
What's in there, Joe? Joe.
Can you open it? Yeah, pull on this part. Pull just here. Pull.
Joe.
Joe.
Joey,
Joe.
look it.
Did I open your present?
What's in there? What's in there? Open it.
Keep pulling on the one end. There you go. Now you can open it.
Yeah, open it.
Come here, Joe. Come here. You gotta look what's inside. Come here, Joe. This is for you. Over here. What's in there? What's in there? Come here. What's in there? What's in there?
Oh.
What's in there?
No, what is this?
Joey, what is this? What is that, Chris? What is that? What is that? What's this?
And we have to get some scissors. Can you sit on there? Can you sit on there, Joe? Yep. Get your other
That's
leg
how
up.
I drive.
Get your other leg
up.
up. There you go.
What is this, Chris?